Oh yeah, you can see the circle.
See where you bubbled there a second ago?
Yeah.
See there, it comes right underneath us.
We're doing a bit of fishing here this morning. We got Mr. Gary Butt, Captain Butt. We've got First Mate Rodney, and we got the steward. The steward, that's me. There you go. There you go. Oh, look. There she is, right there. Look, two there. Whew. She is having a good time. It's more than two. We've seen 3 or 4. We could hear them this morning. I believe that's. I might have had him in the back earlier.
But you had to.